Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today, and that is for a Tom Ford bag and AMIRI boxer briefs. I'll start with the bag first. Here's the shipping container. There's NMG, probably stands for Neiman Marcus or Neiman Marcus Group, and there's my name, Darren Barada. Okay, so there's this outer box. Well, there's an, inner box. But it just had tissue in it. So here's the bag. Nice. Okay, so there's so here's like cloth bag. It says Tom Ford on it, and it's gray, and the script is gray. Oh wow. Okay, so here we go. Here's the strap. So it's black leather with gold detail, and it says Tom Ford, made in Italy, and the little zipper part has Tom Ford embossed on it. It's very soft. There you go. There's Tom Ford's initials, TF, and again, Tom Ford embossed right there. Wow, okay, so it's pretty deep. It's hard to see inside, but it's like it's almost got like a felt interior, like it's like cloth. It doesn't feel like the leather on the outside. Okay, so there's an inner pocket, and it says Tom Ford, made in Italy. Kind of see it. There you go. And if you open the pocket, there's some stuff in here. So it looks like just like okay, so this was maybe like how to take care of it, and I think this might be like certificate of authenticity. Or just the tag. That's nice. And you can see the strap here. It's like a belt for trousers or something. Here's the buckle. Oh, cool. It says Tom Ford. Oh, there's some plastic stuck in the zipper. I'll have to figure that out. Oh, here. And they're TF, and more initials on the back of the zipper thing. Wow, it's beautiful. The gold really looks great against the black. So I'm not sure how to show you guys, how to give you an idea of how big it is. I do have a cup. I'm going to put it next to it. This is a Trenta size Starbucks cold cup. Everyone drinks Starbucks, so I figured you guys would probably have an idea of how big a Trenta cup is. So the bag's way bigger. It's really nice. I can't wait to use it. There doesn't seem to be an invoice or anything like that in the box, but I got it from Neiman Marcus on sale. It was more than half off, so I think it's still available. So if you like it and you want it, you can, as of this recording, you can still get one. Okay, so we'll move on to the next thing to unbox. And these are some AMIRI brand boxer briefs. Okay. So here's the front. Here's the band. It's black band, and it says AMIRI on it over and over. Oh, and here's a little tag. I think that's their logo. Okay, and it has a fly. And same thing on the back, but there's this piece here. It feels like rubber. It's like a patch like you would see on like the back of jeans. Oh yeah, and it's like raised, like AMIRI. The letters are raised right here. Yeah, this is definitely some kind of leather. That's weird. I hope that doesn't feel weird after you like wash it and it gets all like wrinkled. Oh, I didn't see this. So there's another tag thing, I guess. It's connected with like the small little chain. It's AMIRI. Oh, and this is like foam. But this is paper. Okay, like care instructions. And it's like another tag. Yeah, these are not made in Italy. They are made, this is what's printed on the back, like on the back of the inside. So it's made in Bosnia. So there's no like physical tag. But they don't feel as soft as I thought they would. They definitely not. But that's okay. They look great. Well, anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of the Tom Ford leather bag and AMIRI boxer briefs. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.